Hello everyone, welcome to another lecture on HTML and CSS. In this lecture I'm going to show you how to use colors on your website. Now let's try to give a new color to the background of the div intro. So instead of orange, which is really ugly, let's take this out, and we already know several colors. Green, we know orange, the most simple ones like for example red, yellow. Okay, so you can type the name of the color, or if you want a color a little bit more complex, you have an hexadecimal code that you can use for those type of colors, and there is a list that you can check out on W3 Schools in this URL here. Okay, and you can find the simple colors here, and as you can see you have here the color hex, and then you have all this code, and these codes are the ones that you can use in here as well. So let me just go down here. You have several different colors, more complex colors with different gradient. Let's choose here this one here. So it's a light green 33FF99. So if I go here and save this, just remember to use in every single code the pound symbol here. Okay, so save this, and now let's check out the background color for the intro div, which is in the contact.html. Let's run this in Chrome, and there it is. Okay, now let's change also the font color. To do that, you just have to type color. So everything that is inside the intro div will have the color that I'm going to put here. Let's choose another one. Let's say I want this dark blue here, 003366, and here, and the pound symbol here, and semicolon. Save it. Let's go back and run this in Chrome, and there it is. Okay, perfect. So this is how you can control and give every single color that you want for every single part of your web page or content or section of your web page. You can also use the colors for, let's say, borders. If you want to give a color to border, let's check out here border 1 pixel. Let's, instead of 1 pixel, which is the width of the border, let's give it 5 pixels so we can see it pretty clear. And here let's type a new color, which is going to be this one here, this purple 990066. Okay, save this. Let's run this in Chrome, and there it is. You can see the border now is the color that 990066 represents. Okay, I have also at the end of the chapter a list that you can use to check out the colors and their hexadecimal codes. Okay, so you can even give a background color to your body. So let's type here body, and let's type, for example, background color, and let's type, for example, let's use a new color. So let's say yellow here, copy, and save this, semicolon. Don't forget the pound symbol, and save this. Now let's run the page in Chrome, and there it is. Okay, so this is it, and see you guys in the next lecture. Bye.